Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Neha. In this video, I am going to talk about, rather answer, very important question. How to ace your teaching interview or your teacher interview. As we all know, today a KVS NVS examination, EMRS examination, other state PSCs are being taken up for the teaching posts. They are the three-tier exams. First, we have the screening, then we have the subject knowledge test, descriptive test, and third, we have the interview stage. Interview is not an exam, but rather it's a test of how or who you are as a person. So far you have been a roll number, so far you have been a answer sheet, but now you come out as a person. If we look at state PSCs, also state public service commissions, also interview play a very important role. It's right from UPPSCs to HPSC, UPPSCs, interviews are important. And if we keep away the government job, if you apply for a teaching position in a local school or in a local college, your interview matters the most after your resume. So first thing first, here are my version of five tips with which you can master or ace any interview, any teaching interview. If you are going to appear in any teaching interview, make sure you have these five things set right so to be able to grab that post. If you have your set your qualifications right, now it is time to turn up to those qualifications, to turn up as a person. So first thing I would like to focus on is revise your core concepts. Even if you have gap year, keep the knowledge of your subject up to the mark, complete, right, accurate, because you are going to represent that subject, you are going to be that particular subject teacher. And if you are going to be a language teacher, your language has to be correct, your knowledge of the key terms has to be correct. For that matter, HPSC PGT English examination just happened in February. Result for the subject knowledge test is awaited, and students are waiting eagerly for the results to go to the next stage of document verification and interview stage. And if you go by words, it will be 2 months now that the examination has taken place. Since it has been a subjective examination, you can expect your results anytime now. And those students who are very much assured that they have given their best they could give in the examination, the written examination, they should start revising their subject. This is one of those places you can never go wrong. You should never pass a question related to your subject. You have to be clear. Even if you have the basic knowledge right, you will be able to answer some of the questions. Assistant professors interview जो लिए गए हैं उसमें ज्यादा ध्यान सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज पर दिया गया है, आपको आपके सब्जेक्ट का कितना नॉलेज है. सो सेट योर सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज राइट, क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए, बेसिक टू एडवांस. अगर एडवांस नहीं, आपको बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स आने चाहिए. फॉर दैट मैटर, my students of English literature, HPSC PGT के student, if I ask you to speak few lines on the Wordsworth's idea of poetry, you will get daffodils in your mind, you will get lyrical ballads in your mind, you will get the solitary reaper in your mind. But what the interviewer is asking from you, he or she is asking you about the Wordsworth's idea of poetry. For that matter, Wordsworth's idea of poetry is the poetry is a spontaneous overflow of powerful emotions recollected in tranquility. ये सब मुझे क्यों याद है? रिवीजन से याद है. तो my students, keep on revising. Aspiring candidates, keep your revision right. Do not sit back and relax that when the result will be announced, I will pick up my books. No. Interview is one such stage where you perform your knowledge, and in order to perform your knowledge, what you have to do, you have to keep your revision as a daily routine. So second thing is, prepare your demo lesson in advance. You never know that they will hand you over some topic and you have to teach that topic. Again, what will help you if they hand you over a topic that you have to teach the topic? What will help you? Revision will help you. But if they ask you that you give a demo lesson of your choice, in assistant professor's interview, or also it happened that demos were asked. You need to give a demo lecture, you need to give a demo lesson. So prepare that in advance. And what will help you? Your core area interest will help you. For that matter, if you are interested in American poetry, you are interested in Robert Frost, Walt Whitman, you can prepare your demo lesson on that only. So beforehand, if you start preparing your demo lesson, you prepare the icebreaker as to how you will start, as to how you will stand, what are the key concepts you will take care of. Keep note of 2 to 3 डेमो लेसन्स आप अपने रेडी कर रख लीजिए. आई टेल यू, बहुत हेल्प होगी, बहुत टाइम सेव होगा, क्योंकि इंटरव्यू में लर्निंग से ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस पर आप लोगों ने ध्यान देना है. तो डेमो लेसन्स प्रिपेयर कर रखे. थर्ड थिंग जो मैं यहाँ पर आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी, कॉमन क्वेश्चंस को प्रिपेयर कर रख लीजिए कि ये क्वेश्चंस तो आपसे पूछे ही जाने हैं. क्वेश्चंस, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, tell me about yourself. Yes, you have to be confidential in telling your name or the area you come from, but your achievements will define you, your knowledge will define you. So prepare the common questions well in advance. Prepare कर रख लीजिए. Tell me about yourself. आपके सब्जेक्ट में आपके कौन से टॉपिक पर आपका इंटरेस्ट है, आपकी टीचिंग फिलॉसफी क्या है, टीचर सेंटर होनी चाहिए या लर्नर सेंटर्ड होनी चाहिए. आप क्योंकि रूरल एरिया, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में जॉब करने वाले हैं, तो आपकी लैंग्वेज टीचिंग की अप्रोच क्या होगी, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स विल कम फ्रॉम रूरल बैकग्राउंड एंड दे माइट नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द फैंसी वर्ड्स यू विल स्पीक एज एन इंग्लिश टीचर. सो योर अप्रोच हैज टू बी bilingual approach. So जो टीचिंग फिलॉसफी आपकी क्या रहेगी, क्लासरूम डिसिप्लिन को आपको लेकर के आपके क्या प्लान रहेंगे, रियल क्लासरूम टीचिंग में आप किस तरीके से टीचिंग एड्स का यूज करेंगे, मॉडर्न डे टीचिंग एड्स का कैसे यूज करेंगे, एनईपी 2020 पर प्रिपेयर कर रख लीजिए. जो करंट जीके है उस पर आपकी नॉलेज क्या है. तो प्रिपेयर कॉमन क्वेश्चंस में आपके इंट्रोडक्टरी होनी चाहिए, आपकी अचीवमेंट्स होनी चाहिए, आपकी टीचिंग फिलॉसफी, आपका सब्जेक्ट का इंटरेस्ट क्या है. सो दीज आर द कॉमन एरियाज. बी क्लियर अबाउट इट एंड बी वोकल अबाउट इट. डोंट लेट योरसेल्फ, don't just sit back and start writing something. Practice it also. Practice in front of the mirror, practice in front of your children, practice in front of the some, in front of your friend, husband, and for that matter anyone whom you trust. And fourth thing, very important, my last video was already well in detail about it, is the communication skills. Please be very much clear about enhancing your communication skills. Since we all belong to a language subject, you have to have, you have to have your communication right. You need to communicate in a much better way. You need to focus on your verbal aspects of communication, your non-verbal aspects of communication, as to how you are able to maintain that steady tone, how you are able to maintain that pitch, how you are able to maintain your gestures and postures. My last video was all about that only. I will tag that video along with this video. But communication skills are developed, and they do not develop in just single day. It's a process. So please focus on that process. Go and view that video. And last but not the least, be professionally ready. Professionally ready will encompass each and everything. Be professionally ready. Keep your documents. Since after once the results are declared, you will have your document verification. Keep your documents ready. Be prepared with your dress. Keep that thing in your mind as to what I will wear, how I will sit, and also your certificates and everything should be neatly arranged as per your क्लास. सो प्रोफेशनली भी आपको उतना ही रेडी होना है जितना रेडी आपको इन सब चीजों के लिए होना है. एंड इफ यू आर गोइंग टू अपीयर इन एन इंटरव्यू, टीचर इंटरव्यू फॉर दैट मैटर, एनी टाइम सून, please do save this video, like this video, share this video with your friends. And if you want to know more about how to prepare demo lesson, how to give demo lesson, you can let me know in the comment section below. What we are here for, we are here to help you people. On that note, I come to the end of this video, but not to the end of this series. हाँ जी मेरे स्टूडेंट्स, HPSC PGT के स्टूडेंट्स, हम बूट कैंप प्लान कर रहे हैं. 2 डे का बूट कैंप होगा. कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स की बात करेंगे. क्या पूछा जाएगा, क्या पूछा जा चुका है, क्या पूछा जा सकता है. एक्सपीरियंस फैकल्टी के साथ बात करेंगे. और आप इस बूट कैंप पे ऑनलाइन खुद को एनरोल कर पाएंगे. जल्द ही हम अपना बूट कैंप अनाउंस कर देंगे. सेम बूट कैंप्स हमने रन किए थे. वेरी नॉमिनल, very effective to give you the direction in which you have to spend your days, upcoming days, to be ready to get yourself ready for the upcoming interview. Thank you.